Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to wrap text around your image on your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing that you do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have. So guys, go ahead and find the website that you want to edit. So go ahead and click the website and now this will open up the website in our page. So first thing you want to do guys, go ahead and click this edit button in the upper left corner. Clicking that edit guys, now we have opened up our website and in editor mode. So guys, let's say we want to add some text to our website. Just paste anything here. Let's say this is the text that we want to use. You can see currently guys, let's say this is the picture and currently we cannot place it here to be right around the text. And how do you guys, well sadly you can't do it. There isn't an option in Squarespace. All you have to do is just place the image under a text and then add a new text box right here where you will again paste whatever you want for it to say. And after that guys, just enter your text again and you will have to put the text box either next to it or under the image. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's the only way. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.